What is going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Lexus is350 here. I'm going to show you how to reset the scheduled maintenance reminder and the oil life on this car right here real quick. Okay, so if your cluster is pretty much set up like this, okay, with the RPM in the center, you're going to need to press this menu button right here, okay? This guy right here, go ahead and press it, and it's going to move everything over. And once it does that, let me go ahead, it's going to be probably set up like this, okay, where it shows you MPG. And what you're going to want to do is scroll over here this way, okay, till you get to the gear symbol here, and at the gear symbol there you have vehicle settings. You're going to press this button here, go into vehicle settings, and go down. This is where you reset scheduled maintenance, okay? And go ahead and hit enter on that, reset the data, hit yes, okay, wait for that to time out. Out and go down to oil maintenance. This is your oil life, and go up and hit yes, and that is it. Hit the menu button again and close this guy up. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another